Good morning. We are at the LA Trend Show in Las Vegas, and Tom and I are doing the fall preview.
Except we're in LA, we're not in Vegas.
Oh shit!
We travel too much.
Back up.
So we're excited. We're at Stenstrom's line right now, and we're going to show you some of the new things that we're doing, that he's doing, that we're going to probably carry in the fall.
Yeah.
One is this reversible vest that we really like.
This is great. It's like a wool gray flannel. Goes to a navy nylon. I like this a lot.
Yeah, what's great about these is that, obviously they're reversible, so they give you different looks, but you can wear them under jackets, which is wonderful.
Yeah, and it
Very
comes in a multitude of colors here, all reversible. We've got cocoa brown, charcoal, navy, light gray.
Great for travel.
We're gonna pick up a couple of those.
All right, and then they do some beautiful, beautiful cashmere sweaters. This is a popcorn stitch, and just cream to the hand.
Yeah.
And it's so comfortable, coming in some beautiful shades. We're probably going to do a powder blue and a beautiful navy blue, but we're going to do a turtleneck.
Yeah, the turtleneck's gonna be nice. It's gonna be very lofty. It's gonna look great underneath that vest that Tom just had on when we did the reverse hat.
Go. So Wayne, love this shirt selection.
Yeah, I do too.
I love these Viola feeling shirts.
Yep.
I think we did a great number with them last year, and that'll be exciting this year. Their washed look, really cool.
Yeah, I
That'd be
like
fun.
that.
And the paisley, what do you think?
Well, I love this. I think this is just very rich.
So we're excited about the line. We're putting it together now. We've got all our swatches, our buttons, our threads. We're gonna
Some great colors.
Yeah,
we got some
together.
greens and blues. It's gonna pair back up with our vest that we just purchased, and doing a nice job here.
Yeah, it'll be fun. We're at Gimos right now. They brought everything over from Europe for us to see, and we're gonna model a few pieces and show you what we got coming in for next fall. All right, Wayne?
Okay, so we did this last season in a darker color. We just killed it in the store. This year, it looks like it's like a little mauve-y gray.
Killer piece.
Nice, double-breasted. Great detail on the buttons. Looks great on you.
The stretch availability.
Yeah.
It's a wonderful, wonderful piece.
It's perfect.
Light as a feather.
Yep, very
All right.
nice.
What else you got, Wayne?
All right, next we have something that Alex is probably going to like. Turning into the younger contemporary model.
Again, very lightweight, but
Look
a
at
mixture,
This is cool. So this
mixture
is
of
like,
textiles.
Yeah, so we have a nylon down quilted with a knit sleeve. Turn around. Whew. Cool. The hood fits great.
Ready?
That's nice.
This is in more of a sport coat model.
But look how cool
So
that
the
is.
cool
And
thing
it's
here
shorter.
is that the hoodie comes out. Zips out, so you can get just your sport coat blazer, but it's a knit blazer, which is fun. So in the day you wear it like this, and night you make it a sport coat.
Then we have this great piece right here. This is really nice.
Shearling.
This is a shearling with knit and suede, right? Tony, is that lamb? Is that lamb?
Yeah.
Look at this. This is clean.
So you would think this would be heavy, but
It's light as a feather.
Light as a feather. Great detailing, great pocket treatment. It's a wonderful piece.
Great piece. I love the color too.
Yeah, and the mixture of the shearling and the knit make it very unique.
Okay, from the
All
LA
right,
Trend
selections.
Show, we're at Gimos. Catch up with you later.
We're at Zanella, looking at some fall fashions and pants. Phenomenal fabrics. We're going to show you a couple of models, some of the fabrics made up. Beautiful pant. We're going to get into some really great sweater pants, window panes.
Great
Nice.
little lightweight flannels.
Yep.
Really nice.
Look at this.
Look at this.
Check.
This is a great check.
Beautiful check.
Isn't that great? Yeah. It's gonna be nice with some sweaters that we picked out from Stenstrom's. And we have a lot of other nice
There's
styles
some
here.
great patterns there.
Great
I'll
patterns.
show you some of the swatches that we picked. Great fabrications, nice subtle patterns, great flannels.
Classics that you can't go wrong with. Right?
Beautiful fabrics.
I know. Look at that. Love this. Love.
Get your pants on.
We're at Psycho Bunny with our buddy Josh. Hey Josh.
Yeah, it's got some great things. We've had the line for about a year now. We're doing really well with it. We've actually got a cult of customers that come and call us for this line. So we have to buy it.
We are actually buying our spring line, so stay tuned because this collection is going to be in the store April 15th.
Yeah.
All right. So when you pay your taxes, get your ass over here and let's get some new color in your life.
So, yeah, show a couple of the styles.
Nice combos. Yeah, really cool.
Great colors, good trims. Just a fun line. Fun line. And Josh, this we do really well with. It's kind of been the poster t-shirt for the line in
Great
our
piece.
store.
Yeah.
So look forward to it. April, we'll have all the spring stuff in, and then back in September we'll get all the fall stuff.
That's right.